Welcome to a step-by-step guide on how to delete a conversation on Messenger. Let's dive into the process. Begin by opening the Messenger app on your Android device. Once you've launched the app, navigate to the specific conversation that you wish to delete. Next, locate the conversation you want to remove and long press on it. This action will bring up a menu of options related to that particular conversation. From the menu that appears, select the Delete option. This will prompt a confirmation message to ensure that you indeed want to delete the conversation. To finalize the deletion, confirm your action by tapping on the confirmation prompt. Once confirmed, the conversation will be permanently deleted from your Messenger app. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily declutter your Messenger and manage your conversations efficiently. Keep your messaging app organized by deleting unwanted conversations with ease. Start applying these steps today for a cleaner and more organized Messenger experience.